Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how you can prepare animated plot in R using gganimate package. So basically our objective is to create a plot. Animated plot looks like this, where you can see that x-axis is a GDP per capita and y-axis life expectancy, and each circle size represents the country in different continents. So let's see how we can make this interactive plot in RStudio. For making this animated plot, we need ggplot2, gganimate, and gapminder package. I set theme black and white, which is ggplot2 black and white theme. So let's load the libraries. So basically the gapminder package comes with the dataset. So let's have a look at the gapminder data. As you can see, the gapminder data comes with the country column, continent, year, life expectancy, population, and GDP per capita. Our objective is to a facet grid plot in ggplot2 where continents will be different boxes and the countries will be the circle size. And we want to make animated plot where along the year how the life expectancy changes over time we'll observe. To do so, first we will see ggplot. This is our data set, and then we have two axes. First in the x-axis is GDP per capita column, as you can see from here. This is our x-axis, and then in y-axis we'll put the life expectancy, and then size of the plot will be population. The population size, depending on the population size, the circle size will be bigger or smaller. As you can see, these are all the parameters I set for this plot, where you can see that geom point and alpha equal transparency is 0.7, and I put the scale color manual, scale size, which is ranged between 2 to 15, which is the circle size, and I put the scale in log scale and facet wrap in the continent. I don't want to put the theme, legend position, so these are the size of the element text. So if I run this code and see the plot, this is the default plot which comes with the ggplot. This is static plot which you can easily generate using ggplot2, but we want to make it the animated. So following term, just these three lines of codes will make the animated plot. So P is that the object is our main plot, and then we added the transition time year, and then the labels will be the x and y axis label. X and y axis label is a GDP per capita and y axis life expectancy, and the title will be year, and frame time means that the year will be in the frame. And we want to the transition the year font size little bigger, and then the bold. So let's run this code. That's all right. Now we want to save and have a look the GIF file. To do so, there is a animate function which can save in a different, depending on the requirement, different size of images. For example, this P2 is the object which contains all those functions in the of the gganimate package, and now we'd like to make the frame For us here 120 frame, which means that in total 120 frames will be combined together in that the GIF file. If the frame is less, which means that you will get the rendering quickly and you will get the very quick plots. For instance, if we put 20 and then if we control enter, as you can see that it's rendering now. This time it's pretty quick because we have only 20 frame. So you can go to this folder. This is the folder, and let's open with Google Chrome. So as you can see that frames are pretty quick because we get only 20 frame. So if we increase the frame, then how it looks like, let's have a look. We'll put 120, so which means we have 120 frame. The transition animation will be a little bit of slower, so it looks pretty. So this time it will take a bit time longer than the previous time, because now the machine will take a bit longer time to produce the plot. So this is the new plot, and let's open with Google Chrome. As you can see, this time the animation is a little smooth and it looks pretty. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, feel free to subscribe my channel and keep in touch. Ta!